Friends, sorry, welcome to my YouTube channel Samila Khan 92. Today I'm going to show you the solar power fountain pump. This pump we will check today how to fix this and how it will work. So today I will show you this solar powered fountain pump. Let's see what is inside. Given there are some accessories given in this, and you'll see. So this is the pump. The solar plates are given. This is the solar which collect the power from the sun, and this is the pump. We'll check how it work with the water. What is inside? Another, there is a user manual. We'll see how to fix it and how it will work. Let's see how to fix first. So let's see. This is the given. A is this one. Solar panel with pump. Here we have solar panel and pump. B is nozzle 13 hole. This is 13 hole nozzle. You can see this is a 13 hole nozzle, and C is another 13 hole nozzle. This one is C, and another one is D is 10 hole nozzle. We have 10 holes in this nozzle. After that we have E5. E is for 5 hole nozzle. You can see here 5 hole nozzle in E. And F is nozzle base. This is the nozzle base. You can see, and this G is nozzle 5 hole nozzle. This is the 5 hole nozzle. You can see 5 holes inside. This is the G, and H is nozzle 1 hole nozzle. This is only 1 hole in this one. Let's see how to fix this one. I will show you one by one how we can fix this completely. So let's see. You can see these different types of nozzles given. We will see this H. You can see H. We will put this one. This we have a part for H, which we will put on this one on the top of the nozzle. Okay. And if you want 5 nozzle spray, here mentioned are different types. This is the 5, I think, and this is the single nozzle. If you want only one nozzle, you can put this one single piece on that one, it will work. Okay. And if you want 5 nozzle, this 5 spray, it will give you 5 spray. Okay. If you want a big one, 10 nozzles, 13 nozzles, so this is the base. First you have to put this base on that H part. So this we can fix this like that. Okay. And then you can use this 13 nozzle small. Okay. So this we will fix this. Just to rotate this one, and this is fixed. Simply this is fixed now. You can see easily I fixed that one. If you want to remove it again, and you can use the 10 nozzle. If you want 10 nozzle, you can use 10 nozzle. Now I will show you in the one by one. This we see how to install this one. So in the next video I will show you how practically it will work. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe.